From saving time to saving energy, there are countless benefits to having a cooker in your home, not to mention having 100 degrees boiling, chilled, and sparkling water on tap. With a cooker, you no longer need to wait for the kettle to boil. 100 degrees boiling water is available instantly, saving time while cooking and making cups of tea. Did you know there are over 570 children admitted to hospital every year as a result of being burned by a kettle? With over 1 million cookers installed across the globe, we still have an unblemished safety record. This is because of our multiple safety features, such as an aerated flow of boiling water, double-chambered spout, having a fixed position on the work surface, and most importantly, our double-patented push-and-turn mechanism. A cooker uses significantly less energy than a kettle. Did you know one flick of the kettle switch uses enough energy to power your fridge for 7 hours? With a cooker, it only costs 3 pence a day on standby and 1 pence per litre of boiling water that's dispensed, significantly less than the energy-hungry kettle. With a combi tank, even more energy is saved. It's the world's first boiler featuring high vacuum insulation, meaning it uses 50% less energy than a kitchen boiler, with an energy rating of A. The importance of saving water is common knowledge for most people, yet so many households waste water every day, whether boiling more water than you need or letting the tap run while the water heats up. Water waste is a thing of the past with a cooker. You can dispense exactly the right amount of water you need, and with the combi, you can also have instant hot water. Not only does a cooker save water, it saves space too. Gone are the days of having a kettle on your work surface and filling your fridge with bottles of water. With a cooker, everything you need is dispensed from a single tap. To save even more space, add on the Nordic soap dispenser and hide your washing up liquid too. A cooker has more uses than you think, from blanching vegetables and boiling eggs to sterilizing babies' bottles and cleaning. A cooker is an essential kitchen appliance. Every cooker tap is equipped with a high-tack filter, ensuring every delivery is filtered, fresh and sterile. This, coupled with the fact that water in the tank is stored at 108 degrees, means every delivery tastes great.